What's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In the last video, we did the STI wing, which completely changed the whole car. Today, we're gonna be doing the full aero kit, so the side skirts, the V2 side skirts, and then a matte black rear diffuser.
What's up guys? I am back, and we are also putting on the JDMuscle headlights today as well. And one more part towards the end, which I'll show you guys afterwards. Let's just get right into it. All right guys, I've been gone for almost 5 weeks, which is the longest I've gone on any vacation. Really sucks, but we went to our factories and then to see a lot of behind the scenes stuff I didn't see a long time ago. If I can, I'll have Jerry drop some links and some clips. But we went to see our exhaust factory for the valve system, the fender flares, and all that crazy stuff. So we have a lot of new projects coming. The RS wing that people wanted to add on this car, which we didn't have a chance yet. But I think the V3 is solid. Jerry and Tony did a great job installing. Fitment looks amazing. The whole car looks aggressive. Literally 10 minutes ago, I was telling Jerry why this car looks better than our VP, our shop car. I don't know what it is. I think it's the wheel fitment. I really don't like those wheels. I don't know. Maybe the wheels. I don't know what it is. This is throwing something off. But this car looks amazing. I'm like so excited to see who's gonna take this car home. Some comments saying that it's not gonna leave California. I don't know. I would like to have the car here, so if we host meets, the car can come. But if not, it's cool, you know. But I'm excited for that. Anyways, moving forward, today's install, we actually forgot the rear spats. We're doing the matte diffuser, which Aero showed right now, and then the V2 side skirt extensions. Just change it up because we haven't showcased the V2 side skirts at all. So this is a matte one. I'll show you guys real quick. I was thinking initially to do this gloss black, but I was like, nah, let's just change it. Let's just do something different because the gloss black is very standard now. Let me show you this diffuser. Oh snap. So again, very OEM plus. This is gonna change the rear. And then especially with the side skirts too and the spats, which we forgot. So we'll bring that and do that in the next video. So enjoy some B-roll. So originally I was gonna ask you guys to pick a headlight, but I think, you know, you guys all want JDMuscle. So shout out to JDMuscle for sponsoring this build with these headlights. These are sequential, so they can be yellow turn signals and back to white. So switchbacks, as you can see from the stock, you get now 2 projectors versus 1. And obviously the orange is still here due to regulations. You cannot delete this. Unfortunately, I wish this was deleted. Make it like black or white. I think it'll be clean. And then you get the C light right here. So I have not installed any of these or have I seen one in person. So looks really nice. The quality is really high build, plug and play. So we'll show you guys how to do this if you guys plan to get these headlights. I'll link the headlights in the bio below. As you can see, I think it's gonna look really good. Super difference. And then we're gonna be pretty much done with the front end. And also today, the grill, we have yet installed or changed this blue. So we're gonna get this done today. Davey's here from Velocis. He's gonna go ahead and wrap this for us. And then should transform most of the car today. These are the V2 side skirt extensions. Damn, look at that. Looks pretty clean. We haven't installed these ever, right, Jerry?
Never. No, I know it.
Yeah, so we actually never even introduced these, but it was always on the website. We sold maybe like not that much, but these are it, guys. The V2 side skirts extension. They go under the OEM. You can run it with the Kogeki or our covers, as you can see. Perfect fitment. So, you know, lowers the car maybe like about half an inch, just half an inch, shy of half an inch, but looks super clean. OEM plus. I am putting on the side skirts now, so you literally use these self-tapping screws. You line it up, I'll have Jerry help me, and we just gotta bolt it straight up. Super easy. We just finished these side skirts, super clean. Like I said, we're missing the rear spats. That's all I was missing. And we have the diffuser on. Super easy to bolt on if you're interested in any of these products for your VB, check the link below. But yeah, the car looks much better now. I think we're like almost there for the exterior. Almost there, yeah. So we have the headlights. I think that's pretty much it, right, Jerry? For exterior? Oh no, one big one. We'll save it for the, yeah, we'll save it. You know what I'm talking about, right? Oh, yeah, if you guys don't know, you'll know later. And then yeah, I think that's it for the exterior after that. So we go ahead and take the bumper off, 10 millimeters on top.
There's no clips.
There's no clips, yeah. Just
Wait, that's it, just
top,
this?
yeah, here's the top, that's it.
Oh.
So here's the instructions from JDMuscle. Chinese reads instruction manual. You guys want to learn Chinese. But as you can see, yeah, so there's 2 projectors, as they said. You can adjust the high and left side of the light. Connection seems straight up. You just connect, straight plug and play, and then you wire the fuse, you tap the fuse inside the fuse box. And that's pretty much it, and swap everything over. So I'm excited, let's get started. Ooh, what the f is that?
Yo.
Who is that? This is the first time working on the headlight on this car. As you guys know, the other side was hit, so they replaced a lot of stuff. All the bolts seems like it's here, right, Jerry? It is, right?
It's all different sizes, but yeah.
Yeah, a little different sizes, but it's cool. You know, this happens when you buy a car. Oh, this comes off. I feel like I'm missing something. Oh, yeah, and it slides right out.
So what Tony does is he takes this off.
Who does it off?
To make it easier. Because it hits. You see how it hits?
I don't know, right here, look. Well, after it's connect this first.
Oh.
And then you have to disconnect the main harness in the back right here. Stock headlights are out. Let's do some quick comparison in the back. Everything looks pretty much the same. We also got the harness here. So this goes into the battery, and then these 2 white connectors go to the white ones on the new headlights, the fuse box. You literally got to unplug a fuse, tap it in.
Here, I'll work on this, you work on the headlight.
Same thing apply, guys. You literally just plug it in. This goes under, right, Jerry?
Yeah.
So the little tricky part is, if you don't remove this, it's a little trickier, but it should be fine. You just go under here, this slides above here, and this tab goes up here. Pretty straightforward right now, super simple. All right, guys, I have one side done. Pretty straightforward. Now I gotta wait for Jerry to connect everything. As you can see, it looks much better, much more aggressive. The white outline of the C-Light looks like a limited plus edition. Very nice. So we'll wait for Jerry to connect everything back. I'll put the other headlight in, and let's turn, let's see what it looks like. Moment of truth. Let's do a quick test fit, starting with the low beam.
Ooh.
Damn, how's it look?
Ooh.
Yo, that is sick. All right, let's try on the low beams. Okay. Ooh. So another key important thing, if you get these headlights, check out the wall behind you guys. So the cutout, the light output looks pretty good. Tony, what do you think?
It looks like the old style.
What do you mean? The V8?
Oh yeah.
Check it out, ready? Ooh. Ready? All right, this is the best part, guys. Turn signals. I'm trying to turn signals.
Ooh. That's sick.
Yeah.
It's sequential.
Sequential, yeah. Yeah, low beams. The V8s, yeah. Okay, this makes the, wow, I like that. Wow, that's sick. So now, compared to ours, a little bit different than the Retrolux. On ours, we have the more functionality and customizable, how the f does it?
Customization?
Yes, there you go. See, this happens when you go to China for a month. Forgot my English. So that, you know, way more options to play around the colors and modes, but this is a straight one setup, but very clean. I like this. I would prefer a single projector, but I think the quad give it that more of an aftermarket look. And the cutout's perfect. Cutout is perfect against the wall. No adjustments needed. So let's go ahead and put the bumper back on, and then we'll show you what it looks like with everything on. Fitment, 10 out of 10. Installation, 10 out of 10. That was pretty easy, right? I think the most trouble you have is probably taking the bumper off and put it back on. The wiring was just straight up, right? Jerry did one tap and then just holds it through. But let me show you how cool this is. So on auto feature, you can, hey Tony, you mind if I turn off the lights real quick? All right, check it out, guys. Ready, guys? Damn, the light of sequentials, quad projectors, very aggressive, very, very aggressive. So let's go ahead. Let's see what it looks like under the outside, because that's the big thing. Usually we're driving with this. Oh wait, big thing, guys. Remember the e-brake down? Does the light turn off?
Let's see.
One big thing, guys. In the factory, I think this is updated already. We'll turn on the car, Jerry. It's in gear. Start the car, e-brake down. Turn off the lights. E-brake down. Oh man. So, wait. Is that e-brake up? Usually e-brake down, it's a safety feature on the car. Jerry, turn off the car. So with the e-brake down, the low beams will come on. It's kind of like a DRL, daylight running light, safe procedure that Subaru have. We have it as well on our WRX. So the only way to get rid of it, I think JDMuscle said it was updated on these, but maybe not. I'll talk to them. But I know you can go to a dealership and they can code out for you. Damn, because if you're driving with just with the C-light, it looks 10 times better. This looks actually hard, like super nice. 10 out of 10. But when you're driving, oh, it just dimmed.
What?
Oh, it's glowing. That's cool. So let's go outside, take a car out. Let's see what it looks like on the outside. And then we'll come back and then we'll get the front wrap and then we should be ready to go. Let's get some B-rolls first and we'll link back. I'm on the phone with Leo right now from JDMuscle.
Shit, it's going already?
Yeah. So we just put on the you just put on the headlight. It looks perfect. I actually asked him to send me another set, right? So you're on live right now, so you're gonna owe me another set of headlights, okay? Done deal?
Me on the spot.
Done deal, right?
And I just heard Jeff agreed to pay me $2 million for the second set.
All right, cut.
Including people on live.
Shout out to Leo from JDMuscle. I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna put the link in the bottom below for the headlights. 10 out of 10. Looks beautiful. All right, Leo, I'll catch you later. Literally 5 minutes ago, I was saying the e-brake didn't work, but it works, so my bad. I guess this is the updated one version, so with e-brake down, I can drive just with the C-light, and man, sexy. I love this. No lie, I love this. Actually, if you're watching this, hey Leo, I want 20% commission. All these headlights sold. So use my code AFDWRX at jdmuscle.com to get yourself a pair of headlights. Man, that's so sick. Even Jerry, what do you think, Jerry?
Yeah, I agree. It looks 10 times better. The blue is throwing it off though.
Yeah, so we're gonna come back after the rollers and have David wrap the blue part, but the side skirts are on, looks super good. It's missing the spats for sure. Man, this is a perfect day to film, guys. Yeah, it's kind of low key, guys, a little bit hidden, but it's there when you see it in person. So wherever come pick up the car, you will see the side skirts. And also I installed it all the way in there, so you guys don't step on it. But try the back, rear diffuser is on. Super sexy. All right, guys, let's go get some B-rolls for you guys, show off the headlights. We'll come back to show you guys the next part we're gonna do. All right, guys, hope you enjoy that little roller. Headlights are on, side skirts are on, diffusers are on. We're just waiting for the spats. Change this, and I think we're almost done. Before we do any more exterior, let's move on to the next part of the build. We'll just run for you guys our brand new 2 versions of the headers. I know a lot of you guys are gonna be asking how come we're not doing any like cob first intake, but I wanna do the headers first just for the sound. I think a car sounds pretty good already. If you guys don't know, we have the valve system, F1 all the way to the front, still the stock cats, intermediate pipe behind all changed. And I want personally give it a rumble. But some of you might not want the unequal length. I don't know why, but for those that don't want it, we have 2 options. One more option for you guys. So we have a brand new equal length headers. These are wider piping, 20 scroll by the way, so you'll get more low end performance gain. So for those that just want to keep it factory but more gains, this is it right here. So if you tune in with D-Man, more power. And then we have the new unequal length. By the way, these are already out in stock, all these headers. Twin scroll as well, because people complain about the single scroll, complain about power loss, blah, blah, blah. So we fixed it, revised it. And then everything is here in stock. Fitment is 100%. And then all the hardware and all that good stuff. So if you don't know, if you work on these, sometimes the studs, C's, happen to Jerry and Tony many times. Especially, I don't know, super studs are just ass. So we provide you new studs just in case you needed to, so. But other than that, guys, yeah, that's the next mod for this car. Comment below, let me know which one you want to go with. The unequal length, probably my choice to give it that rumble sound, or the equal length, because we're going to tune it anyway, so it's going to get maximum gains from D-Man anyway. So let me know in the comments below, guys. Comment unequal length or equal length, and then we'll see you guys in the next episode. It's good to be back, by the way, guys. A lot of guys have been DMing me asking what's happening with the yellow build. Did it disappear or whatever, you know, still here. Look at the headlights though, so sexy. It's probably my favorite headlights. I think, should we even swap our headlights too? What do you think, guys? Yeah, what do you think? Everyone's like, yeah. I don't know, it looks clean. I'll show you our difference. I can't read. I don't know what the keys are, but yeah, this is our friend's Mercedes AMG C63S. He got the black S badge because, you know, peasant. You got the red one, that's the real AMG. But yeah, guys, that's it for updated build. I think we're pretty much like almost there. The car looks amazing. If you're in SoCal, you want to come visit and see your potential next car, you know, come by. Or comment below, guys. If you don't comment all the videos, you're missing out. So I know a lot of you guys have been skipping out the last 2 videos. Yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. And make sure to hit that sub button, and we'll catch you guys in the next video for the headers. Peace.